Hello. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Well, today is a wonderful day. It's the weekend, of course. And, whatever you all are doing there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm coming to you with respect to stocks that I will be watching, keeping an eye on for the coming week. Some of them are setting up really good below resistance, and what I'm looking for is just a quick run up, a point or two on the name. Without further ado, let me get into it. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes only. So let's get into it. So I got the first stock here that I will be watching. Is called LAKE. LAKE is one of those stocks that is rejecting the 20 and the 50 moving average at this point in time, with our support just right below that level. So we have a support here at this spot, and then our next support is going to be the 200 moving average, which is 25.25. So what I'm expecting this stock to do is to get right above this resistance of $29.30, because our 50 moving average is around 29 and the EMA is 28. So right now the price actually closed around 27.36. So with decent amount of volume coming in on this name, I think we will push higher on this stock. Overall, I have 41% on the RSI, so I think this is a good one to put in the long term overall. Next one is going to be CREG. This is CREG. So what I'm looking for right now on this one, we are actually holding our level, which is the support. Okay, this spot right here is the support, and we have our trend. So we need to get out of this trend and also get out of the 20 and 50 EMA resistance, and then we should be able to go. Just a tad bit, just a little resistance right here around the $9, and our overall, we should be able to see $11-12 per share on CREG. The next one I will be watching is INMB. This one, what happened was we broke the 200 moving average, consolidated just a little bit, and then we just broke out of that region right there. We just broke out of the 200, the 20, and now we actually are testing the 50. We did reject the 50 and close right below it, which is 1362. Overall, I'm looking for the $14 breakout on this name. The volume came on strong, and RSI is 53, so I do like that. Next one is gonna be MSGE. For MSGE, I am looking for something simple here. The chart really looks crappy overall, but if we can break this level, which is 91.12 cents, I'm good. Okay, if we can break this level, we have our immediate resistance around the 50 EMA, and overall, once we break this level, we should be able to test 105 on MSGE. We are actually oversold, which is 39%, 40%. Volume is coming in overall on this name. Next one is going to be our GOVX. This one, I really don't like this one because we've been really choppy. We we pop fail, just we've been popping and failing. So I'm not really too much of a fan of this name. There's another chart request, METX. This METX, I still don't like this one, though we have volume that came in on Friday and it got to 20 and 50 and it rejected it and pulled back. Okay, we closed really low on the support, so this area need to hold. If we can hold this area, then we'll be able to try again, see if we can push higher. Next one is going to be SPCE. Okay, this one, the reason why I pulled this chart up is because of the trend. We are actually breaking the trend on this name, and we close above it. Overall, I do like it for a swing, for continuation higher on SPCE. The next one I will be looking at is YMTX. YMTX is trading at closed at 1765, and this one is just right below everything, so I wouldn't be taking this one based on chart request. I wouldn't be taking this. I don't like it. The next one is TIRX. TIRX has been really incredible this past week. We were really holding this resistance level. Okay, this is the resistance level, so we held say resistance level pretty good, just in anticipation of a break, but the break didn't come in and we just push all the way down, and also they did an offering. So overall on this name, this is the level that we held support, and now we're pushing higher. Overall, I want the stock to break this $20 level, and then we should be able to push higher to the $30 price level. Overall, we are actually oversold, so I'm expecting a bounce. Look at the volume that came in, so I'm expecting a bounce on this name in the long term. This is for like a long-term account. Just buy it, hold it, and just let it go. It's not a recommendation. The next one I'll be looking at is APVO based on chart request. Well, for this is really good. I like it because right now we are holding support here on the 200 moving average, and we have a trend that is forming right now. So we break this area, which is our first 20 EMA, and then $30. After $30, we should be able to visit the $40 area on APVO. I like it. The next one is going to be WHLM. This chart, what is going on here? We pop fail. What do you expect next? Pop fail, right? So but overall, I want this stock to pull back to this level of support, and then we'll be able to anticipate another pop on the name. Overall, 1675 is going to be support if it comes. Next is going to be EFOI. EFOI is below the 200 moving average area, so I just don't like this one. Sorry guys, I just don't like this one. But overall, we have a trend developing here, so if we can break above the 50 EMA, then I will be looking at EFOI. The next one is going to be AMD. AMD, I still have my average on this solidly behind all the issue with the semiconductors and shortages and stuff like that. So we have this trend here, and the reason why I was looking at it back then was I was anticipating this trend break. The trend broke, and I got in anticipation for the trend break, and also for $84. So $84 is our resistance right now. So we've actually tapped $84 1, 2, and 3. So whatever happened right now, I will be waiting for this stock to hold these 200 moving averages, and then we'll be able to push higher. We break the 200, break the 50, we already broke the 20, and we closed right below, just a little bit below the 50 EMA. But overall, I am okay that we closed above the 200 moving average. So now we anticipate to push higher on this name. I have the $80 call, $90 call, and $85 call on this. Okay, now let's dive into the semiconductors a bit by looking at Finviz. Okay, for Finviz, it is really important for us to check this out. So we go to screener, and then we go to the industry, which is going to be semiconductors. Okay, and for this, I'm going to be looking for price above the 200 and price above the 50 moving average. Also, in terms of float, I want the float under 20 million. Okay, and under 20 million, we got 3 semiconductors. Okay, so when we go into the chart, look at the TA over there, and you're gonna see that on this stock right here, the INTT, we are actually above the 50, above the 200, but below the 20. So any reclaim of the 20 moving average, it becomes a head and a shoulder. For a head and a shoulder, it means bearish pattern. So if we have a stock trading higher and higher, and then we develop a high here and another high over here and another one over here. So right here, this is the left side shoulder, this is the head, and this right here is the right shoulder. So that is what I'm expecting over here. We have the the left shoulder, the head, and I'm anticipating another right hand shoulder over here. So if we can bounce off this level, which we're doing right now, we tap this $11 area, that's gonna be our right shoulder. If we break this level, then we just broke out of the head and shoulder, or shoulder resistance. The next one is going to be our NVEC. This one, we are right above 200, right above 50 and 20. So this one really looks good with the trend right here. We have the trend, and this trend is what we are actually, you know, we're gonna anticipate a break over this level. 71.25, our last close. I do like this one for a swing. The next one is going to be our SGH. SGH is extended. So on this SGH, I will be looking for a pullback to this support here. This is going to be the support. The $50 is going to be the support. So I'm looking for a pullback to that level on SGH. So if we, you know, go back to our search criteria and not include the float, but I also like to have float because I want the stock to be moving higher, pushing higher. Now we have 16 stocks to look into, because I want a stock that actually moves. Okay, so we're looking at that. We're also looking at volume. Okay, our criteria: volume above over 200. We have volume over 200, maybe relative volume over 1. Okay, and then let's drop our float. If we drop the float, we only have 4 stocks that are within the criteria that have a relative volume of over 1 in the semiconductor space. So you have IPHI, which is trying to hold support here at the 20 moving average, and then LSCC, which is breaking out of this trend. MXIM is good, but you have to understand that this is a resistance, and a resistance. So this is what we call triple top. Okay, this is a triple top, and triple top always indicate reversal. So right now we actually pull close to the 20 moving average, and let's see if we can bounce back and break this level. Overall, your target is going to be right on that triple top. Okay, next one is going to be TXN, Texas Instrument. Texas Instrument, what's going on right here is support. We actually pull back to the support, which is this area, and now we're trying to push higher. Overall, what I'm looking for is for us to consolidate around this area, then we'll push higher to probably $200 per share on TXN. Guys, that is it for today, and these are the stocks I'm going to be watching for the coming week. Most of all, we have our SPY, our market. The market is forming what are called the doji. Okay, and doji means reversal, means indecision. So right here we have the SPY S&P 500 ETF. On this one we have this trend right here. Okay, we have this trend. So that is what I'm looking for. We're trying to break this trend. My overall target was 400, 415 and 420. Okay, and it's not the weed stuff, you know. We weren't able to get to 420, you know. Let's see if we can get to 420 just to celebrate the, you know, the cannabis and weed sectors and stuff like that. But overall, we have a doji forming right here. So this spot here is a doji. Okay, the last time we had a doji, we had a doji right there, a doji right there. Also we have a doji right here. Okay, so pretty much what I'm expecting is some form of a pullback. Okay, we are actually around the overbought area right now, 75%, with huge amount of volume that came in on Friday. So overall, I'm looking for a pullback to the 20 EMA. Okay, I'm looking for a pullback to the 20 EMA, but our support, immediate support, is right around this level right here, 411. 411, 410 is going to be our support. Then we push back down to 405, 406. That is where our 20 EMA should be at. Overall, I am still, you know, bullish in the market, but I still want a pullback for a continuation higher. Someone asked for Tesla. What I'm looking for Tesla is Tesla actually broke resistance, and this is our trend, and Tesla broke resistance to push higher. Okay, we push higher close to this level right here, close to $800, and then we pull back. So right now I'm anticipating a continuation higher on Tesla. Right now we have 58% RSI. MACD is calling up, and volume hasn't come in yet. We just have a steady average volume in. So I need another push on Tesla, then we'll be able to test the $800 area. Overall, we have Tesla earnings report coming in. What is it? We have Tesla earnings report coming in fairly soon. Let's look at I'm not sure about this could be correct, but let's look at Thinkorswim. Tesla. Okay, Tesla says it's coming in 26. Okay, so this will be after the market close on the 26th, so that'll be next week, next 2 weeks on Monday. So keep an eye on Tesla. I do like it. We have resistance right around this area, which is 786, and then we break 786. Natural resistance is $800, and then we'll be able to push through 850. Overall, I like Tesla, my trend on Tesla is in already. So these are the levels for me on Tesla. So if Tesla keep holding this trend, we'll keep pushing higher on the name. Overall, have a fantastic weekend, guys, and thank you for being here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, and have a fantastic weekend. Bye.